Hi students, this is the video for the basic definition of atoms, shells and orbitals. What is meant by atom or atoms? So the basic definition all know about the smallest unit or the basic building blocks of matter. If you consider a matter, it consists of, it's made up of atoms, we all know about that. But what is atom means? If we divide a matter into further particles, in one stage we can't able to divide the matter into any more particle. That stage is known as atom. Atoms are indivisible particles anymore after that stage. So this is known as, this is the basic definition of atoms we all know. So what constitutes the atoms? Another one is we can't able to see atoms with the naked eye even with ultra microscope. Nobody saw the atoms. So it is one of the high rays through spectrum only we can assume that the matter is made up of atoms. So nobody can see in microscope also. So atom, it is it contains a nucleus. Protons and neutrons constitute a nucleus. Protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutrals. It's not positive or neither positive nor negative. Electrons are negatively charged particles. So the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. So the number of protons is equal to the atomic number. We will see in the following videos. So protons and neutrons constitute nucleus. These two are known as nucleons. Electrons are negatively charged particles. That's all about the atoms. When we come to the atoms, shells, orbitals, subshells, here nucleus, K is the first shell, second L, second shell, M, third shell, N, fourth shell, and so on. The number is formulated from the formula 2n square. So n, the number of the shells. So k is equal to 2 into n squared, 2. L is equal to 2 into 2 square, that is 4 into 2, 8. M is equal to 2 into 3 square, 9. 2 into 9, 18. N is equal to 2 into 4 square, 2 into 16, 32. These are all about the K, L, M, N shells. So what are known as orbitals? Are orbitals and subshells are equal? These are the common questions asked by our students. So S, P, D, F, these are the energy levels. That means inside the shells there are subshells. We can show it in 3 dimension only. 2 dimension, this level only we can see. So in 3 dimension, that nucleus, proton, neutrons, the electron revolve around the orbit, that is the earth around the sun. We can able to compare that example. So like solar family. So nucleus, electrons are revolving around the path. Those paths are known as orbits. Those shells or subshells are known as orbitals. First one is S, second P, D, F. S, one orbital corresponds which holds 2 electrons. P, 3 orbitals, 2 into 3, 6 electrons. D orbital, 5 orbitals, 5 into 2, 10 electrons. That means the D orbital holds 10 electrons. This is the meaning of that. And we move on to F, 7 orbitals, 7 into 2, 14 electrons. So now it's clear that what is shells and orbitals. So that's all about the atoms. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you, students.